Okay, we're going to make an iMovie. So I'm going to tap on iMovie and I'm going to make a new project, and my project is going to be a movie. I'm going to select the footage that I want to use, and I've already imported this from my camera roll. So I'm going to just tap the footage that I would like to use and select Create Movie. The footage is now imported and it appears to be in the correct order that I would like it to be. If one of the footage was not in the right order, all I have to do is tap and I can move that footage if I would like to, but I'm happy of where it is. I can also change the transitions by tapping on the transitions. I've got theme, dissolve, slide, wipe, fade, or none. If you ever do something that you want to change, you just hit undo and it will go back to how it was before. I'm happy with my transition dissolve. I can play through my video by hitting the play button and that will play through. So that's a good preview to see how the movie is going to play before exporting the movie. I also have volume attached or audio attached to the movie, so I can attach the footage and I can detach the audio. And because there's audio there that I don't want for that particular clip, I can select it and hit delete, and that audio is then gone. I can start editing, so I tap the place where I want to split the video. So I'm happy with the beginning part of the audio, and then as I see I get a bit distracted, so I stop about there, tap the footage, and I can go split. And that will split the part of the footage that I don't want anymore. I can tap it and hit delete, and then it's gone. I want that to be a transition, so I'm just going to go back to dissolve. So I like the dissolve theme. So what I can do now is add some audio, and all I need to do is tap the microphone, and as you can see it's all ready to record, and all I have to do is hit the record button. And in 3, 2, 1, hi, I'm now recording, and all I have to do is hit stop. I can cancel, retake, review, or just accept, and I'm pretty happy. Accept that one, and I've got my audio overlapping. If I don't want anymore, I just tap on it and I just hit on delete, and the audio is now gone. I can also add in some text. So I'd like some text on this particular footage. So I click on titles, and then the text will appear, and I'm going to use pop-up. I tap on the text area, delete the information that's there, use various camera shots and angles. And I have the option of leaving that center, or I can click on lower and I can lower that so it's not in the way of the footage, and just tap away and it's out of the way. I'm just going to tap there and change that transition to dissolve. So now I have my text. I need some sort of audio here, so I'm going to tap on that one, hit the plus button on the top right hand corner, and we have different types of, well, it will come up as media, movie, moments, anything that you want to upload from your camera roll, or you can click on audio on the bottom right hand corner, and I can click on any type of audio recordings that I have, or sound effects. And I can choose a sound effect that I would like to use. And I'm going to pick the news yesterday. I like that one. Or news today might be a bit shorter, so I'm going to click use. And it's just going to pop the audio track there. Click and hold, and I'm going to drag it to the position that I want it at. That seems pretty good. And what I might do at the end as well is add an effect. So I'm going to click on filters, and and I'm going to choose a particular filter that I want. I can scroll through and have a look, or I could just use blast. I think I quite like that one. Last thing that you might want to look at is the help function on the top right hand corner, and that just gives you some extra help. You just tap on any issue that you're unsure about and it will come up with different prompts for you. If you don't want that help function anymore, just simply tap on the question mark at the top right hand corner again and it will disappear. And once you're finished, we can just hit done. But before we do that, let's play my video. Don't think you have to use the same shot or angle the whole time. It's a good idea to change it up a bit. Now let's edit. So now we're ready to export our video. So what we need to do is click on Done on the top left hand corner. You can give your movie a name. I've already named mine How to Make an iMovie. All you need to do is tap and you can rename it if you would like. And on the bottom in the middle with the little rectangle with the arrow coming out of it, that's what we're going to hit to export. And we have a couple of options. As you can see, OneDrive is there. If yours is not displaying, if you scroll to the right, you can click on More and your OneDrive might be hiding there. If you click on this button here, click and hold, you can actually drag OneDrive to the top for next time. And if it's switched off, you can just tap to switch it back on again and then hit done. Scroll back over to the left and I'm going to select OneDrive to export it to my OneDrive. And as you can see, it's exporting movie. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is upload my video from OneDrive onto the Office 365 video. So what I've done is I've gone to office.com and I've logged in, and now I'm just going to click on video. So now in video, all my videos are coming up, and if you look at the top it says channels. If I just click on channels, the best thing to do is to create your own channel. So you click on the plus button and say new channel. I've already made my own called media, so I'm just going to tap on my category of media. There's nothing in here yet, so what I need to do is upload my video by just clicking on that link. So I select a channel I want to upload my video to. I've already selected video. I can either drag, but because I'm using my iPad, I'm just going to tap and select my video, and it comes up with the option OneDrive. If it doesn't, just click on More and just make sure OneDrive is switched on. Select OneDrive. Then I just need to find my video in OneDrive. And here's my video here. It's uploading and I can give it a title. So I'm going to give it a title, How to Make an iMovie. And if you want to give it a description as well, using iMovie on an iPad. So there we go. That's all that's needed. Upload is complete. It may take some time to process your videos and they'll email say it is completed. Changes are saved as it says on the right hand corner there. And all I need to do is go to video and it's still processing. Give it some time. I can edit by clicking on the pencil button there. I can download, embed, or I can email it to people now that I have uploaded it online. I can also share it, which is clicking on that plus sign at the bottom left hand corner. And that's all there is. Thank you for watching.